Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to do after wash. Let's go over the ingredients. We have perfume, we have SLS, and then preservative powder, and we also have nitrosol powder, and then color. We are going to make 1 liter of after wash. So I've already measured the water. So first we will dissolve the nitrosol in the water and make sure it's well mixed. The ingredients and its measurements will be in the description box, so you can go there and check the measurements of each of the items. After mixing the nitrosol in the water, you now mix your SLS with a little water to make sure that it is well dissolved. Then add to the solution and then mix. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please give a thumbs up and leave a comment. After mixing the nitrosol and the SLS for some time, for about 5 minutes, you then add your preservative powder to the solution and stir. Next, we are going to add color. This time I'm using blue color since we are going to use it for washing. So I'm using blue color. You can add the color as and how you like it, depending on how deep or how light you want your solution or your afterwash to be. After mixing the color, you then add your perfume to the mixture and make sure you stir it very well. Then your afterwash is ready. You can start using it right away or store for future use. So thank you all for watching. Until we meet next time.